Looks like you are referring to the 2025 Toyota Vigo, but currently, Toyota does not have an official model named Vigo. However, if you mean the Toyota Hilux Vigo, which is a popular pickup truck, I can provide a full review based on expected updates and features. 2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo Full Review Introduction. The 2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo continues the legacy of Toyota's rugged and reliable pickup trucks. With a modern design, enhanced performance, and advanced features, this new model aims to compete with the best in the segment. Exterior design: bold and aggressive front fascia. The 2025 Vigo features a redesigned grille, sharper LED headlights, and a muscular bumper for a commanding road presence. Aerodynamic enhancements: improved airflow design for better fuel efficiency and stability. New alloy wheels and colors. Updated alloy wheel designs and fresh color options for a modern look. Interior and comfort: premium cabin. High-quality materials with soft touch finishes. Advanced infotainment system. A large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Spacious and comfortable seating. Ample leg room with ergonomic seating for long journeys. Smart connectivity. Wireless charging, digital instrument cluster, and improved sound system, engine and performance. Powerful diesel and petrol options. Expected to feature a 2.8L turbo diesel and a 2.7L petrol engine, providing a balance of power and efficiency. Enhanced suspension and off-road capability. Improved shock absorbers, 4WD system, and terrain modes for better off-road performance. Fuel efficiency improvements. Toyota is likely to introduce hybrid technology for better mileage. Safety and technology: Toyota Safety Sense, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning. 360-degree camera, better visibility for parking and off-roading. Multiple airbags and sturdy build, ensuring maximum passenger safety. Price and availability. The 2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo is expected to launch in multiple markets, including Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, with a price range starting from $30,000 to $45,000, depending on the variant. Final verdict: the 2025 Toyota Hilux Vigo is shaping up to be an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful, stylish, and durable pickup truck with modern tech, off-road capability, and Toyota's legendary reliability. It remains a top contender in its class. Would you consider buying the new Toyota Vigo? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. Toyota Vigo 2020s, 2025 VIPs. Hilux Vigo. Toyota pickup. Drive time reviews. Car reviews. Off-road. Toyota.